Get out of here. Get out of here, boy. Hey. No, 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 no. Get out of here. Oh my God, no. Oh. Oh my God. I can't believe this. God, I can't believe this. Oh, this is my first time. Everyone's gonna get to see how to deal with this, I guess. This is terrible. Well, good thing I have a sweatshirt, because I don't really want to touch them. Back up. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. All right. All right. Calm down. Calm down. I got you. Calm down. Go calm. Okay, I almost got you. It's already almost up. What is the cutoff? Let's see. You gotta open up, boy. Oh my goodness. Hey, I didn't sign up for this, huh? Where's it going through? Right through your nose? Okay, I got you. Stay still, please. It's alright. Don't bite me, please. Okay. Okay, yeah. Yes. Yes, that's better. Right, stay there like that. That's better. Come on, you're almost up. Open up again. Open up. What am I cutting on? Yes. Yes, okay, just open up. Don't bite it again. Alright, ready? You're gonna fly away. Alright, stay away from me now. Whew! Alright. Well, that was an experience. And actually, it was kind of warm and cuddly once I touched it. So next time I won't be as nervous. Hopefully it just doesn't happen again, though. Killed my fish. Whew, scared the crap out of me. Alright. What the heck? Alright. Let's just start over here again. You're dead, unfortunately. Sorry, bud. Oh, no, you're not. Even more sorry. Oh, that's traumatic. Alright, I learned a lesson there not to lift it up that high.